Good evening. It is July 28th, Friday, 2017, Lynnwood, Washington. This is Wikispeed with Andrew Hall and William Newing narrating. Andrew, would you take it away for what we accomplished today and what we figured out and blocked and yes.
Yeah, so basically we just tested the throttle body, trying to find the pinouts to see how it works. But there's a failsafe on there that we don't know how to bypass. They're called ETCSM pins, and that's something Honda specific, so there's really nothing out there. I posted something to a forum. I also spent quite a bit of time just searching it. It's a relay, so I thought I was trying to just apply my knowledge. I know of relays, and it wasn't working, and basically we just have to wait. And we put this on hold for right now.
Yeah. And the other suggestion was that we will pivot from a Arduino for the throttle body replacement and actually continue with a Arduino for the pedal position sensor. That way we continue with what Ryan Gelzer and Jackson Rudd was working on. And this time we'll upload that to GitHub and be able to have a bit of version control as well as a open source of collaboration to go forth from there. Yeah, that way we're not recreating the wheel. As you can see, car number 7 is now on the casters, and right rear wheel is a little off. Yeah, yes, so this bolt has twisted and we'll have to adjust that and figure that out. That's what's next. Also, we had a request from our product owner to put one set of the bearing into hubs with the C-clips in to try to iterate on a 0 scrub radius, which I think is doable. We'll put that in to our backlog and figure out that from there. We also are working on our points tracking, and that'll help us out and give us a bit of rundown on what we have accomplished. Recommendations: pairing. We paired a lot. I think we're both probably just getting kind of done for the end of the week. That's probably why we're like, I'm starting to hit a wall, but it was a bit further. We answered a few questions and assumptions, and I think having be able to refine what our goal and direction is kind of gave us a bit of a relief. Like, is this really what we want to continue doing, or can we utilize our resources and manpower to another avenue that we can use in the future that is adaptable and object oriented? So that's what we figured, and we're gonna go with that. You have a few more weeks of school, Andrew, so pace yourself. And we have some work to do with the Wikispeed card in terms of getting it back up into running condition, so we'll definitely pace ourselves as well. Looking forward to it, and cool. Thanks so much. Any recommendations, Andrew, specifically?
No, I have.
All right. Well, thank you very much. Wikispeed out.